Hello everybody, today I would like to tell you about WH words. WH words plus ever. So these words are very important because whenever you read the words, you get confused. I have seen most of the people, most of the listeners, most of the speaker speak the words but they pronounced wrongly. So to remove this problem, I have the permanent solution for you to pronounce correctly and to know the correct meaning of these words. So without any further delay, let's get started. Well dear friends, WH words are like this: what, where, how, who, whom, whose, like this. You have seen in your book when you read the words properly, but you get confused. But you have seen ever, what plus ever, so you get confused totally. So how to remove this problem? Don't worry, I am with you. First word is what plus ever. You can see on the screen. Okay, what plus ever. We can mix this word whatever. You have to pronounce this word whatever. Meaning is very simple in English. Anything, anything. Okay, let me give you one example. Whatever pen you can use, whatever bikes you can ride, whatever chairs you can use to sit. In this way, we can use whatever word. Okay, second WH family word plus ever. Like what, where plus ever. Where plus ever equal to wherever. It means the meaning of this word everywhere, anywhere. Everywhere, anywhere you can see. Third, we can say who plus ever. Who plus ever. Whoever. Whoever is used for people. You can use whoever people, whoever students can come to me. Whoever boys, you can come to me. Whoever girls, you can come to me. In this way, you can use whoever. And mostly, remember this, it can be used for people. Alright? Very good. Next, how plus ever. However. However means but, nevertheless, still, yet. You can use like this. But remember this point. You have to use this however in the beginning time of the sentence. Like the example is, however, you are doing this, then you have to follow my work. However, you are doing this, then you have to follow my work. In this way, you can use however. Alright? Second, another is which plus ever. Which plus ever. Whichever. Whichever. Okay? Meaning is you can use for non-living things. Like whichever blazers you can wear on your body. Whichever cream you can use on your face. Whichever earphones you can use to listen the songs. In this way, you can use whichever, right? So this is the correct way to understand, and this is the correct way to use these WH family words plus ever in the sentences, right? Okay, actually the last is whenever. When plus ever equal to whenever. Whenever means anytime. Whenever means anytime. Okay, let me give you one example. Whenever you have to speak with me, you will have to speak the truth. Whenever you will have to speak to me, you will have to speak the truth. That is the correct way to use whenever in the sentence. Alright? So today I have shared there are 6 WH words plus ever. Okay, you can see in the screen, on this screen. Okay, I have written here for you, so you can see and memorize it, because whenever you read in your book, these words are in front of you. Okay, then you will not get confused to pronounce correctly and to understand properly. Alright, so hopefully you will have find this video very nice and very understandable. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will meet you in the next lecture, the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep smiling and keep learning English. Thank you so much.